there are allegations that police generals retired are into the STL, Lotto, and whatnot. I said, you don't have any problem with me. If it's a bidding, you participate as long as it is not rigged in your favor and you secure it, complying with the laws, no corruption, I will not begrudge you. If you have friends or millionaires and would finance a corporation and you're an incorporator, I don't see any reason why you should not be in that business. Ang hinihingi ko lang naman is, walang gapangan, no oppression or pressure. And if there's a bidding and you win it, by all means, but as a part of your honor, delicadeza, ask yourself to be assigned somewhere where you are not operating or a participant or an incorporator of a corporation doing business in your area. Ayan lang naman, delikadesa yan. Pangit kasi tignan na ikaw ang chief of police dyan, it's operating. You look for somewhere else. If the Philippines is too big,